Hello students, I am James. Welcome to the video of lesson 11 of moral science. Okay, today I am going to teach you moral science of standard 3rd. Lesson is 11. The topic name is believe in yourself. Okay, so dear students, before starting this chapter, let us look at the blackboard. Okay, I have written some story characters name. Okay, so first story characters is a businessman. Okay, first story character's name is a businessman. Okay, second one is J.D. Rockefeller. Okay, J.D. Rockefeller. Okay, in other words we can say madman. Okay, so J.D. Rockefeller had played the role of madman. Okay, third one is a nurse. Okay, third one is a nurse. Okay, dear students, and you can look at here moral value. Okay, what is the moral value of this chapter? The moral value of this chapter is self-confident. Okay, self-confident. What is the meaning of confident? Self-confident. Self-confident means self-assured. Okay, or fearless. Are you getting me? What is the meaning of self-confident? Self-assured or fearless. Okay, so remember students, the moral of the value of this chapter is self-confident. Okay, next we can see what is the moral of this story. Okay, so this one I will tell you after telling story. Okay, and then what next we will go through. Are you getting me? So now let us start. Okay, so dear students, it is very interesting chapter. Okay, are you getting me? So now let's start. We will learn first of all what is the definition of self-confident. Okay, or we will learn more about self-confident. Are you getting me? So self-confidence is an inborn quality. Okay, self-confidence is an inborn quality. It refers to the confidence which a person has on his own self. Okay, people who believe that they have the ability to become successful are called self-confidence. Once again, repeating students. So what is the definition of self-confidence? Okay, people who believe that they have the ability to become successful are called self-confident. Okay, it is very simple. Okay, so let us see next. Okay, there are some people. Okay, there are certain people who never think before doing anything. Okay, they are easily swayed, or swayed means affected or affected. Okay, they are easily affected by the others' opinion. Okay, or by the opinion of others. Okay, they are not called self-confident person. Okay, those who are being affected very easily by others' opinion, they are not called self-confident. Okay, they do not have self-confidence. Okay, as a self-confident person is not afraid of any situation. Okay, a self-confident person is not afraid of any position or any condition. Okay, whatever problems are coming, they are facing very bravely. Okay, he or she has the ability to face the problems bravely. Okay, are you getting me? Self-confidence gives a person the power to achieve what he or she wants in his life. Okay, so those who have self-confidence, those persons have the power to achieve what they want. Okay, are you getting me? Once again repeating, self-confidence gives a person the power to achieve. Achieve means here attain or to get. Okay, what he or she wants. Do you understand? So dear students, now I am going to tell you one story. Okay, I will explain to you believe in yourself chapter with one very interesting story. Okay, are you getting me? Please be attentive, listen to me carefully. Okay, and try to get it. So there was this story name is a bankrupt businessman. Okay, a bankrupt businessman. So this story name is bankrupt businessman. So let's start. Once a businessman went into debts and could see no way out. It means there was a businessman, he could not come out from his debt. Okay, debt. His customers were not making payments to him and his suppliers were demanding payments. Okay, One evening, what happened? he was sitting on a bench in a park. Are you getting me? With his head in head. Okay? Once again I am repeating. It was evening time. He was sitting on a bench in a park with his head in his hand. Okay? Like that he was holding and sitting. Okay? Wondering anything could save him from bankruptcy. Okay? So he was thinking that how to come out, or who can, or how he can come out from his bankruptcy. Okay? Are you getting me? Suddenly, an old man appeared before him. Okay, one old man is coming in front of him. In front of him. Okay, I can see something is troubling you. That old man who came in front of the businessman, he said to him that I can see something is bothering you, something is troubling you. Okay, after listening to or hearing to his voice means here pain or grief or burden. After listening to his voice, burden, grief, the old man said, I believe I can help you. Okay, I believe I can help you. Okay, so let's see next. So students, let's see next. Okay, what happened next? He asked the man his name and wrote a check and gave it into his hand. Okay, take this money and meet me exactly after 1 year from today. Okay, you will be able to pay the money back to me. Are you getting me? So that old man said to a businessman. Okay, the old man turned and disappeared in the dark as quickly he had come. Okay, so after giving that letter to him or check to him, he disappeared very quickly. Okay, the businessman was amazed or surprised to see that the check was of $500,000 and signed by J.D. Rockefeller, one of the richest men in the world. Okay, with this money, I can get rid of my worries. Worries means here anxiety. Okay, immediately thought the businessman. So businessman thought that I would get rid of my debts. Okay, if I use this money, I can get rid of from these debts. Okay, like that he thought. However, instead of doing, he decided to keep the check in his safe. Okay, he thought that the confidence of having such a big or huge amount of money might give him the strength to work out a way to save his business. Once again, repeating, students. He thought that the confidence of having such a huge amount of money might give him the strength to work out a way to save his business. Okay, with great courage. Courage means here, what's the courage? Daring. Okay, with great courage or daring and determination. Determination means willpower or resolution. Okay, he started his business this once again. He worked hard and was able to save his business. Remember, okay? He worked hard day and night, and he could save his business. Within a short period of time, he paid all his debts and began to make money. Here, began to make money means to earn money. Okay? Exactly 1 year later, he went to the same park. Okay? Exactly 1 year later. Later means here afterwards. Okay? After 1 year. Okay? Exactly exactly 1 year later. Okay? He went to the same park with that old check. According to the agreement or consent, he was supposed to assume or expected to meet the old man there. Okay? He saw the old man coming towards him. Okay? As soon as he entered that park, when they had said that they would be meeting at that place, when he entered the park, he saw the old man coming towards him. But just as the businessman was about to hand him the check and tell him about how his story of success. Okay, once again repeating. He saw the old man coming towards him, but just as the businessman was about to hand him the check and tell him about his story of success, okay, a nurse came running and caught the old man. Okay, so that time a nurse came, and by running a nurse came and caught that old man. Okay, who was that old man? J.D. Rockefeller old man. Okay, are you getting me? So let's see next, students. What happened next? That nurse said, okay, that nurse said, I'm so glad, okay, I'm so glad I caught him. Who said? Nurse said to businessman, okay, I am so glad, I am so happy that I caught him. I hope he was not bothering you. Bothering means troubling you. He always runs away from the asylum. Asylum means your mad hospital, okay, or mad house. So he always runs away from the asylum and tells everyone that he is J.D. Rockefeller. Said the nurse, okay, said the nurse. Nurse said to businessman, okay. The astonished means amazed or surprised. Businessman was stunned. Stunned means here amazed or surprised. Okay, once again, the astonished businessman was surprised or amazed. All these days, he believed that he had $500,000 check in his safe. However, now he realized and understood that it was nothing more than a piece of paper. Okay, so at last he understood that that was not a $500,000 check, okay, but that was simply a piece of paper. Okay, understand? Afterwards he understood that that was nothing more than a piece of paper. Okay, it was his self-confidence that gave him the power and courage to achieve what he wanted. Okay, so that was only for namesake. Okay, he got courage, man. He got courage because of that $500 okay check. So with the help of that $500 check, he got courage. Okay, and like that he worked hard day and night, and he could save him from his death. Are you getting me? So dear students, I hope you have understood. Okay, if you have not understood, please read this chapter 2-3 times. Okay, and then you will understand this very interesting story. Okay, so at last moment, what is the moral of this story? Okay, the moral of this story is have faith in your abilities. Okay, have faith in your abilities. Abilities means capabilities. Okay, you must have faith in your capabilities or abilities. Okay, because self-confidence can make you what? A self-confidence helps you to achieve what you want. Okay, once again repeating, have faith in your abilities or capabilities. Self-confidence helps you to achieve what you want or what we want. Okay, so now dear students, now some word mix are given there. Okay, once again repeating here, what the story. Okay, have faith in your abilities or capabilities. Okay, self-confidence helps us to achieve what we want. Okay, so let us see the word mix. Okay, believe. What is the meaning? Trust. Inherent. Okay, inherent. Okay, sweat means affected. Okay. Opinion, what is the opinion? Thinking, afraid, scared, or fearful. Okay, situation, position. Okay, achieve, attain, bankrupt, insolvent. Okay, debt, mortgage. Okay, mortgage. Remember, wondering is surprising, amazing. Okay, troubling, bothering. Okay, disturbing. Both means burden or pain. Amazed means surprised. Get rid of, person will get remove or throw away. Okay, or throw away. Determination, remember determination is very important. Okay, willpower or resolution. Okay, asylum means mad house or mad hospital. Astonish or stunned means amazed or surprised. Okay, courage, what is the courage? Daring. Okay, ability means capability or talent. Okay. So dear students, I hope you understood. So for today it is enough. Okay, thank you, God bless you, bye.